my gosh. But this is where we came to see. Look at how pretty everything is. She's doing a good job though. We put little shoesies on her. But anyways, everything was closed in there.
Except for coffee though.
The coffee spot looked good.
Oh my gosh, I thought it was a real cat or something.
But she looks cute.
That's no problem, have 10. We'll take advantage. We're Pasadena natives.
Display your pet here. Okay, press the on and off button.
Okay.
Okay, it's off.
Start. Wait until 0 shows up.
Okay, get in.
Okay.
Good girl.
Good girl. Sit. Sit. Sit.
She just want to sit. Okay, yeah, it's ready. She gained a pound. She used to be 16 pounds. Of course, we would find a pet store. This is a nice pet store.
Actual,
have jerky and chews.
Wild weenies?
Weenies. Oh, and they have little baked goods.
Bark, dude.
These look promising.
Oh, well.
They're $22 though. Here's her haul. We got her some treats and a duck. It's a theme actually.
We should do like a little how they do in the TikToks, like this is my haul, guys. Like,
okay.
Have her open them and stuff.
Taste test then?
Yeah. Oh.
Anyways, we're taking off her boots and we're on our way back. We put them in the little case.
I'm just taking them off first.
She's stimulated.
Yeah. I showed it to DP. I was like, that's Bill, 100%.
That's not, the dog's not doing that.
Yeah, it is, dude.
It's not real.
It's real.
Ahí lo tiene de respaldo, ahí está el respaldo de la máquina, pero pues también es bueno que le dé el sol y los elementos, y es más difícil, pues usted sabe, es más.
You literally are so smart. You guys, she made a pea. Her name's Penelope. So today, let's see. Today I want to say this correctly because I always feel like I say so. I'm out of ideas low-key for baking. I'm going to be completely honest. And I feel like if I put too much thought into it, I try to make it something it's not. I think that happens with a lot of things if you really think about it. So I didn't want to buy any new ingredients. I asked my mom, what sounds good? She said cranberries. We had frozen cranberries that we gave the dogs, but there was a lot of cranberries. And we had cranberries left over. So I made this. So far, it's a jelly type thing, so I'm gonna use that. I'm thinking I might post this whole thing on a different channel, and I did. This is a preview of my full video, which is up on my new YouTube channel at Too Much On Your Plate. Go check it out. Here she is. Looks good. Can you see me? I just made my new YouTube channel. Subscribe if you haven't yet. I've talked about it already before. It's really fun. I like it. I'm having a lot of fun with it. I made some green tea. I did a workout. I finally finished my antibiotic today too for my skin. I'm really glad because that made my stomach hurt. I would take it with food. It was twice a day, morning and night. But I'm glad it's done. Right now I just have I worked out, so I usually get red like this after a workout. It'll go away though. So yeah, this is a new vlog this week, so we're starting this week's vlog. My birthday's soon. I'm excited, I guess. I have nothing planned. My mom's first time watching The Shining. You never seen The Shining before, huh? We watched Dr. Sleep yesterday. I thought it was bad.
I thought it was good.
But it's because she never seen the first one. So we're just starting it. This is before she watches it. It'll probably take us like 2 days to finish it. Come with me. Come with me to Home Goods. I am with my mom. And we're gonna go to Home Goods and see if I can find some cutesy little baking utensils. I need something aesthetic for my baking, so I'm on my way to Home Goods. And we're going out at nighttime. We usually do not go out when it's dark. You can see her right there. Just cause I'm tired, but I'm still young. I should be going out at nighttime. Look at this. It's so cute. It's got the little tail. Low-key got distracted with the bowls, but we're in the ceramic section. Oh, I was thinking I like the checkers. Yes. But that's huge.
They have smaller ones.
Those are just little platters.
Like if you do like a ceramic plate and you put it on there.
Oh yeah.
That look cute.
There's a. This is all that I found. Look it, guys. It's a double vlog. This is for my cooking channel. Say hi. And then this is for my main channel, Brain Twister. I'm making cookies. I didn't realize I forgot to close off the vlog. Oh. So this is me closing off the vlog and showing you the cookies. Oh my gosh, I'm like double recording. I don't know where to look. Oh my gosh. These morphed into one giant cookie. Okay, that was not what I was planning. These could use more time. That's usually how it goes. We'll do 5 more minutes. I think I could save them. Oh, hold on. So, geez, turn you this way. Okay. Just gonna, while they're still hot, you can kind of grate them. You could do that little cup trick and like make them circular, but I don't feel like dirtying a cup, so they'll be square. Perfect. They actually look really good. Oh, do you guys want to see? Tea. They look delish. So I'll try one once they're dry. Dry? Done cooling off, not dry. Goodness. Okay, I'm gonna stop this and stop. Okay, Brain, finish this. Look at, I tried blow drying my hair, but literally it's already frizzy. And I did like the heat protectant. I'm just meant to have frizzy hair. That's just who I am. Okay, go.
These, by far, are the best fucking, oh sorry, you can't put them, are the best cookies you've ever made.